We are going to look at how to sign up for sessions from a student's view in RTI Scheduler, and also how to use RTI Scheduler to look at your sessions for the upcoming day or week. One way that students are able to choose sessions is by checking their school email accounts. RTI Scheduler will email students when it's time for them to select a session. In checking their email, they will be able to be prompted to choose a session for this Friday, August 5th, by selecting the blue Choose a Session button. When students arrive at the screen, they'll be able to see a list of the open and available sessions. They can click on sessions to see a little bit more details about them. Select the back button to go and look for a different session. When the student is ready, they can select the session that they'd like, and they are enrolled. The next option for students to choose a session is by using our website. So if the student forgets to check an email, or if you're just wanting to use the web browser, you can go to rtscheduler.com and sign in with your school email account from a student side. Students will select Login and choose Google or Microsoft depending on the school. Select their school email and will be navigated to a screen to select a session. You can see that some days might already be selected for them in advance, but then other times you are prompted to choose a session. This is identical to what an email might look like. It just is a different day this time on Tuesday. You can go through and look at all of the open and available sessions. Once you find a session that you'd like, you can select Choose a Session. The next thing from the student perspective is how to check your upcoming session for RTI Scheduler. RTI Scheduler will also email you when your sessions are finalized. You will get an email that might have a daily or a weekly agenda. So an agenda might look like your RTI sessions for the week starting Monday, August 1st, and you can see every place that you're going for that week. On Monday, you're going to journalism. On Tuesday, you're going to analysis of the skeletal system, and so on and so forth. You might also get an agenda that just shows a single day. So on Thursday, you are going to writing your congressional representative. Again, if checking an email isn't an option, you can also use the website to check your upcoming sessions. Logging into RTI Scheduler, you'll just select your school account once more and see your upcoming agenda for a week, but now it's just in a calendar version. So you can see where you're going for the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.